Hi, my name is Neeharika. I'm going to be a rising senior at Doherty Valley High School, and my project is home automation with Amazon's Alexa. So I'll just quickly demo it. Alexa, ask Particle to turn on the red light.
Okay, red light turned on.
As you can see, the red light is turned on. Alexa, ask Particle to turn off the red light.
Okay, red light turned off.
And now the red light is turned off. You can also ask for temperature and humidity. So, Alexa, ask Particle what is the temperature in the room.
Temperature is 22 degrees.
So it'll return something in Celsius. And you can also ask for the humidity. Alexa, ask Particle what is the humidity here.
Humidity is 46%.
And you can also do a similar LED toggling with this green LED right here. I'll quickly demo that too. Alexa, ask Particle to turn on the green light.
Okay, green light turned on.
Alexa, ask Particle to turn off the green light.
Okay, green light turned off.
So that's the current functionality of this, and the first step in building this whole project was building the actual circuit. So there are a couple of key parts. I used a particle photon. I had two LEDs, which are red and green. I have this DHT22 temperature sensor, which will read the temperature in Celsius and the humidity levels in percent. So building this wasn't too difficult, and I ran a separate program in the actual Particle IDE that would first just every second read out the current temperature and current humidity levels, and it would also blink on and off these LEDs just to test that everything is working. Then what I did was I started setting up the voice user interface. And what that is what the commands that you want Alexa to be listening to. So in this case, that would be like turning on and off your LEDs or asking for the humidity readings and the temperature readings. So you do actually have to define what exactly you need to say. And in each particular sentence or command that you want to say, there are slots. And for example, I would have Alexa, ask Particle what is the blank here, and it'll be temperature or humidity. Now, how it actually calls these separate functions to call what the actual temperature and humidity is done in the back end. So I use Amazon's AWS Lambda functionality for this. All I did was I read what this particular slot was in each command. For example, if it was like temperature or humidity, I would call a separate particle function that I'd predefined that would read the temperature or humidity from the sensor. And similarly, I would read whether the slot said red or green or on or off, and then using the specific pins that I've already set up on the particle, it would turn it on or off using, again, another particle function. So yeah, that's how this particular part of the project works. Thank you.